Hello guys, welcome back to Mr. Cloudbook channel. Today is the day 31st of the Kubernetes masterclass, and in this video we are going to see the demo for the taints and tolerations. In the yesterday's video I mostly explained about the how taints and tolerations will work and what is the main usage of it and how the pods will be placed on your nodes when we apply the taints. Okay, so let's see the demo as well. So if you see kubectl get nodes here. Okay, so I have the two nodes. Okay, so let's check the if any taints applied or not. So kubectl describe, so describe nodes and grep, sorry, small letters grep taints. Okay, and you can say that uh, this is on control plane and this is on worker node. Okay, if you don't know, you can see it from here itself. Kubectl you get nodes. Sorry, let's try to use hyphen I. Maybe is there any information I will get? Okay, nothing same. We are getting the same, but you can see it here also. So if you try to run a one single image, okay, kubectl run nginx hyphen image equals to nginx. Okay, so what happens? It will create a pod. Then pod will be created on the worker node. Okay, kubectl get pods hyphen o wide, and you can see that it's creating on node 01. Okay, here node 01, and if you see kubectl describe pod, sorry, node. Okay, not pod, node, and node 01 and grep taints. Okay, see, there are no taints apply on your node 01. Okay, so if you try to see the control plane, okay, instead of node 01 we will try to check for the control plane, and you can see that one taint is applied, that is saying no schedule. Okay, this is why, yeah, whenever you try to run a single pod, so it will always placed on the worker node, not on the control plane. Okay, master node will not be used because by default there is a one taint applied. Okay, so this is the taint apply on your control plane. That's why your nodes, I mean like the whatever the pods you try to run will not be placed on the control plane. Okay, so either you have to remove this one, okay, taint, or you have to provide a one single toleration inside your pod. So with that case you have to run this particular whatever the node you want, so you can place that one. I mean like if the pod wants on the control plane, so you have to use this one. Okay, this is the key and everything for your taint. That is how it will works. Okay, node role Kubernetes IO control plane is equals to no schedule. Okay, if you go here kubernetes.io and search for taints. Okay, taints and tolerations, and you can see it here. So taint node key equals to this one and value no schedule. Okay, here key is this one. Okay, node role kubernetes.io control plane is this one and no schedule. Okay, we have to add this particular toleration. Okay, you can see it here. So this is toleration, how it will work. Key, so what is the key one, and operator is equals to value whatever the value are providing and effect no set. Okay, you have to give this one. Okay, let's try to get one, we will see. Okay, kubectl run nginx one hyphen image equals to nginx hyphen drive run equals to client hyphen o YAML format, and I will redirect it to one.yaml. Okay, so ls, you can see that there is file is created one.yaml. Okay, cat one.yaml. So it's created a simple pod.yaml file. Okay, so we will try to edit it. Okay, vi one.yaml. So we don't need the creation stamp, delete it, and nginx, I mean labels, name, these are all what specification, right? So I will remove the what are not needed, I removed. Okay, so but what I will do is I will add a toleration. Okay, so it should be again placed on the control plane. I'm adding that particular toleration, so instead of you have to give this one. Okay, so this is the one you can see. So containers nginx, and here we have to add the tolerations like this. Okay, let's copy this one, I will use this one. Okay, copy it, paste it here. So this should be match the values inside. Okay, let's go. And operator and everything will be schedule is there. We have to find the key and value. Okay, let's come out of it. And here, what is the key used for your master? Okay, let's check the again. Okay, kubectl describe node and grep tails. Okay, this is the key. Okay, key is this one. I mean, let me copy it everything. Okay, copy it. And I will go again vi1.yml. So what I will do is I will add a key. So I will go insert mode and paste it one. So this no schedule is not needed because it's already provided, and we have to provide this one. Okay, node role.kubernetes.io equals to, we have to provide remove the node schedule as well, and control plane value equals to control plane. Okay, that is the way I'm thinking. Let's see how it will work. Okay, save it and come out of it. Okay, this is the value control plane and key is this one. Come out of it and you can see key is this one, node role.kubernetes.io control plane equals to no schedule, and you can see it from same here itself, node key value no schedule. Okay, let's try to apply kubectl apply fnf1.yml. Let's check it will work or not. See, it's created. If you check kubectl get pods, mostly we will see it's running now 5 seconds ago, but -o wide. See, it's created on node 01, right? But it's not created on the node schedule. Why it's not running on the node schedule? We added the toleration, right? It's still taking the node 01. Okay, but we added the toleration here. If you see cat1.yml, there is a toleration is added here. Okay, right? So let's do the same thing. Okay, what I will do is I will open another tab. Okay, here, see, tab 2 it will connect. So what I will do is I will go down, okay, little bit, because it will always place on number node 01, but we add the toleration means it's able to join on the control plane as well. And you can see that no schedule, no new pods will be scheduled on the tainted node unless they have matching toleration. Okay, so if you have the toleration is there, the pod will be scheduled automatically, and you can use this ones. Okay, these are all same. So let's try to see a simple deployment. Okay, or you can just go open a new tab and Kubernetes deployments. I'll check for this one. We will add a toleration into this one. So we will add some replicas. Okay, just copy it. Let's copy it from here itself. And what I do is we deploy .yaml. What I will do is I will add a simple tab one. Okay, right click, copy. What I will do is I will go inside and I will add a toleration for my pods. Okay, let's see how it will create. Let's try to see. I am providing 3 replicas. So how it will work. Okay, so if you see ls here, so I have the deploy.yaml, right? So kubectl apply -f deploy.yaml. You can see that it's created kubectl get pods. So if you check -o wide, it's still taking on the node 01. So even if you see, we added the toleration here, right? So here there is a toleration is there on the control plane, but we added the toleration as well. Okay, deploy.yaml. This is the toleration and key and added. Okay. So what I will do is I will add a one taint, simple taint on node 01, and let's try again running the simple command. This is the command to set the toleration. Okay, kubectl taint nodes. So it is the node 01. That is the node name for my node, and I will use key as the key, and this is Ajay, and I will use no schedule. Okay, and you can say that tainted. Okay, if you check again kubectl describe node. Okay, if you try again, see there is a taint applied on node 01 now. Okay, so what I can do is if I try to delete one pod. Okay, let me try to delete one. Okay, kubectl get pods. We will delete one. This is the one kubectl delete pod nginx and nginx one. I'll delete two pods here. Okay, kubectl get pods. Okay, so kubectl apply -f 1.yml. Okay, it's created. See, nginx one is created. Let's check pod it's created or not. Kubectl get pods and it's under pending state. Means it's not able to tolerate. Okay, kubectl get pods and still under pending. So let's see kubectl describe pod nginx one. So you can see that 0 by 2 nodes are available. One node had untolerated taint applied key as a and one node had a untolerated taint. This is also there. Okay, so we are saying that two nodes are not available and not even scheduling. Okay, see, let's check the kubectl describe. So here we have to check this one. Okay, so whenever you use this key value one like this, you have to use this one. Okay, and whenever you use the control pen, you have to use this one. Okay, this is the format you have to use. And let's check this one again. Okay, I'll copy it again, and you can see that there is a two ways of taints here. Key equals to Ajay equals to. Okay, if there is an equals to is there, then use this format. Okay, key operator value and effect. If there is a slash, okay, slash control plane, use this format tolerations key operator effect. Okay, let's edit va 1.yml. So last time what we did, we used this one, right? So what we have to do is we have to use this one and value should be removed. Okay, and equals to should be changed to exist. Okay, exist. Let's use control plane. So this is the way we have to call. Let's see how it will work or not. Okay, what I will do is I will apply again kubectl. Okay, first of all, let's see the pods. It's still running or not. So it's still under pending. So kubectl apply -f 1.yml. I just configured. Okay, spec dot toleration. There is a invalid. Okay, spec dot toleration. There is an issue. Let's check again. Vi 1.yml. Key operator exists. So let's check here. Key operator effect is no schedule. Correct, right? We are using. Try to apply again. kubectl apply -f 1.yml. Okay, invalid spec tolerations forbidden existing tolerations cannot be modified. Okay, so existing one is there, right? Let's try to delete that one. Okay, delete pod nginx one. So already toleration is added, so it's not possible to apply again with the existing one. Okay, that is fine. I am not able to read properly. Okay, and you can see that pod nginx is created. If you try to say kubectl get pods, it's creating state, and let's see in the different way. Hyphen move white. See, it's creating on the control plane. The taint is applied. Okay, still taint is there. If you see kubectl describe node grep taints, right? This is the comment, and you can see that this is the taint applied, but it's still able to join the pod on the control plane. Why? We use it this one, right? See, we added the tolerations into my pod. Okay, so here remember that whenever you use a slash, okay, use this one key operator exist and effect no schedule. Okay, so if I want to apply, okay, let's check again. So I have a as a no schedule. Okay, what I will do is I will do this one kubectl run nginx 2 -image equals to nginx. Okay, -drive run equals to sorry client -o yaml 2.yml. Okay, cls 2.yml. What I will do is I will do this one kubectl apply -f 2.yml. It's created, but if you check, it will be in the pending state. So why it will be under pending state means we have two taints applied, right? Taints. This is on control plane. This is on worker node. Okay. So what I will do is I will edit this one. Okay, vi 2.yaml. So instead of using this one, let me remove some of the labels that are not needed. So what I will do is, let's go inside. So we will add a toleration. Okay, this is the one. Okay, so you have to copy this, right? So we are using this on worker node. So it's using the equals to key, remove it, and what is the value as a, right? Let's come out of it. So you can say that key is key, value operator equals to Ajay, no schedule. Okay, enter. And you can see key Ajay, small a, not capital A. Let's update again. So even if you try to apply again, it will not work because value should be matched. Okay. So if I change it to small a and if I try to apply again, it will see the. So if you try to apply again, okay, it's still under pending, right? So what I will do is I will apply again kubectl apply -f 2.yaml. It's configured. If you try to see it's running now. Okay. Why it's running? Where it's running? It's running on node 01, node nginx 2. Why? We added the toleration here. This is how you have to add the tolerations. Okay. So I showed it how to add and the deploy.yaml. So inside this one, okay. So inside the spec only you have to add tolerations. This is not there, but we added it. So let's check again. Okay. Remember this one. Okay, this one. See, whenever there is a slash is there, okay, node role.kubernetes.io is there, you have to use this one. Slash is there means you have to use this one. If you use manually created this one, okay, if you manually provided this one, right, key equals to Ajay, no schedule. So you have to use this one. Okay. So you specify a toleration per pod in the pod spec. Both the following tolerations match the taint created by the kubectl taint line above, and thus pod with the toleration will be a schedule onto node 1. Okay. The default Kubernetes scheduler takes the taints and tolerations into account when selecting a node to run on a particular pod. However, if you manually specify the spec.node name for a pod, that action bypass the scheduler. Okay, the pod is the bound onto the node where you assigned the no schedule taints. Okay, so remember this one. Okay, see here is an example pod that has some tolerations defined. So operator exist and equal to, we have to remember these two operators. If you go down and you can see it more, okay, no schedule, prefer schedule, no execute, like that will be there in the tolerations as well. You can see no execute, no schedule, and no execute. This will be different. Okay, you can read it from here itself if you want to know more about the tolerations and taints and taint nodes by conditions, and you can read more. So, but here Ajay, I added this taint, right? So if you want to remove, you have to give this command. Okay, kubectl taint node 01. Okay, Ajay, you are using the same command again for the untaint also, like to remove the taint also. So I'll just copy it and I'll add hyphen at the end, okay, to remove. And you can see that it's untainted. So if I try to grep again, see on my worker node, there are no taints applied. So, okay, if I try to remove the control plane also, okay, if I try to remove one control plane, what I will do is I'll just use this one, okay, just paste it. The command is same. Even if you want to add it, okay, remove. Sorry, control plane is not removed. It should be, I think, control plane directly. So sorry, the thing is I was the wrong here. Maybe it should be without hyphen. Yeah, you can say that control plane is untainted. If you check the nodes again, see there are no taints applied, right? So if you even if you want to apply a taint, give the same command. Okay. So to apply the taint, you have to use this one kubectl taint node of the your node name, and whatever the taint you want to apply. So instead of hyphen minus, okay, you have to use this one. Okay, enter. This is the command to add a taint to your nodes. Okay. If you want to remove it, you have to just provide hyphen at the end. Okay, see, I am just adding the minus symbol here to remove the tail. So if I want to add, I will remove that one, it will be added. If I check again, describe, and I will get that particular taint applied on my control plane. So this is how you have to apply and remove the taints from your nodes. Okay. So this is how taints and tolerations will be work. And you have the commands here. Please read it. So how to taint here and how to untaint also. You can see to remove the taint added by the command above, you can run hyphen minus. Okay. You have to just add the minus at the end of the same command. Okay. That will be remove the taint from your node. I hope you understand about the taints and tolerations. And in the next video, we will talk about the resources and limits. And we will see horizontal pod, autoscaler, and all the concepts in the upcoming videos. Okay.